Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we had prior resistance that turned into support. So let's just turn the screen here. The market came up through this area, touching as high as right around these 43.28s, and then pushing right back down. And you can see came back down to this support here and just started to hold it. So we do see that this market did pull down and then started to pull up, and looks like it's trying to just kind of wedge its way to the upside. Resistance 43.1350, and then next area up above 43.2275 as the area of resistance, and then above that we're going to have a measured move here, 43.3850, if we can get all the way up there. So that's kind of what we're going to be looking at. This is the support right here. We do want to see it continue higher, but again, resistance at 43.1350. so if you are long, take some profits or trim the position here, and then if you can hold it, try to hold it up into those 43.2275s, and then above that to 38.50. That's going to be our areas up above. Now below, if we do just collapse below, next level of support down below 42.8125 to as low as maybe around these 42.73s, yes, or 78.50. So we'll see if we can get down into this area here. If we do, a nice double bottom off this area of support should push us right back to the upside. So we'll see if that can happen. If not, next levels down below is those 42.49s, and then below that is going to be those 42.3750s and down into about 42.3175. So we'll see if the market can get down into those areas, and if they do, we'll get some support bounces right off of those areas and see what happens. But as of right now, still holding bullish. So again, we are looking for some upside here on the London session. If we can get around those support zones, we're going to be looking for that as well. But let's take a look at how we kind of map this out even on the smaller charts here, moving over. So you can see the 60-minute chart. You can see how we kind of drew out what we were looking at. The market ended up coming down this way and then kind of making this little bit of what looks like a pennant pattern, the market pulling down, but it's like a little bit of a wedge and a bullish pennant. So we were looking for some bullish movement right into our area of resistance here, and you can see as we went into the smaller charts, the 5-minute coming right into this area of 1350, rejecting right off that area, may end up falling right back down and may get another bounce. So we'll see what happens here as the market moves around as we draw into the London session. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P. Again, if you guys do like the videos, make sure you guys smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them into your YouTube, and if you guys are going to continue to trade, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. You guys take care. Have a great night.